Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Happy Wednesday. Today I have two DIYs for you. As I said in my last video, I'm trying to get rid of a lot of the stuff in my garage that I found on the side of the road and bought through Goodwill. But I also want to make Christmas projects, so I'm doing a little bit of both, trying to compromise with myself. So this first project is actually a pair of nightstands. I got these at Goodwill, and they were $4.99 each. What I liked about them was the actual character of them. I like these little slats on the sides, and I liked how they opened up on the top for storage. They don't have your normal drawers and or closet. It's kind of like just a big box, and I like that. So the first thing I do is I paint it, and I use my chalk paint that I made. Again, I made it with plaster of Paris. I think there's a video somewhere on YouTube. You would just have to hit, how do I make chalk paint? But I love it. It dries so fast. It comes out so pretty. Nice matte finish. And I just love it. I don't need a primer. It just finishes so nice. So I had this idea. Well, I didn't have an idea, actually. I saw this on Pinterest. Where somebody used a stencil on the top of some nightstands she was doing. And here I'm doing the other part of the top, the lid. And she used French words, and as you'll be able to see a little bit in the video of how I put them on, I stole her idea. But I'll explain that when I get to it. So I took off the hinges and I painted those black. I'm really happy with how this turned out. I wonder why we like everything white. I love white. I don't know if you can see my living room very well, but I just love white. I love everything white. There's my dog, Bella. She looks like a big stuffed sausage. Okay, so here's what I was talking about with the French words. So, right now I'm just putting back on my hinges. As you can see, I was going to say, as you could see with my shirt, that's my work shirt. I work at a restaurant. And the big thing here in New Jersey is, in North Jersey, they call pork roll. I don't know if everybody knows what that is, but it's a breakfast meat. And in North Jersey, they call it Taylor ham. And in South Jersey, we call it pork roll. Well, it's actually pork roll. But it's like, the big fight in New Jersey. Is it pork roll or is it Taylor ham? It's pork roll. I know a lot of you don't have pork roll, and it is so good. Anyway, right here is what I was talking about. I took these French words, and I made them look like they were going off the edge. I really like how she did that. So that's what I tried to do. Now, this DIY, I wanted to try something different. So I thought, and I came up with this idea. This is a birdhouse that I found at a garage sale, I believe. So I probably got it for like 50 cents. I'm painting it all white. Now, I have this little hanger. I believe it was originally for plants. So I decided to, I was going to hang the birdhouse from that. And here's the hanger I was talking about. So after some thought, I decided to make it Well, actually, after watching Bargain Bethany, I loved how she did her like Candyland theme. She made a bunch of like candy stuff. Well, I love that. So I decided to make like a gingerbread house. And she made gingerbread stuff. That's what she did. So she used this thing that I'm using now. It's, what do you call it? You know what it is. It's like silicone, you know. It's like spackle, but in a tube. So anyway, she made fake whipped cream. Well, I'm using it to make like snow on the top of my gingerbread house. And I bought some candy, and I couldn't find fake candy, so I'm just using real candy. And I decorated my little gingerbread house, and I painted my hanger in a candy cane uh, pattern. And I just decorate the whole house with all kinds of Dollar Tree stuff. I just bought a few bags of candy. And so I wanted to send a shout out to Bethany because her stuff was so amazingly adorable. So cute. That's why she's a top dog, right? Anyway, I decided to put a bow on my. I'm not good at bows. I'm telling you, I try every single one that people do, and I just can't make a darn bow. Anyway, I decided to put a bow on top of my hanger, and here you see I'm trying to make it. Maybe I need the bow with the wiring on the edges, but maybe that's why it's not working, but it just doesn't work for me. And I cut the bottom, what do they call that, a fishtail? I think my little gingerbread house is so cute. It's just enough, not too much. Then I just add my little bow to the top of my hanger. And then I do add a little bit of greenery so it doesn't look so plain. I bought a big bushel of greenery from Walmart the other day. I think it was $4.99 or something, but it was huge. I could probably use it for the rest of my DIYs for the rest of the season. So that's it. So here's my table finished, and like I said, there's another one. So it's a pair, and I probably will be selling these on Facebook Marketplace. And here's my little gingerbread house with the hanger. I think that's adorable. It is a little top heavy. Um, I don't know what I could do about that, but I don't think it's going to fall over, but it it makes me a little nervous. But I hope you guys enjoyed my projects. I really, really need subscribers. Make sure you tune in tomorrow. There's an open invite um, with Coffee with My Sunshine. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe and hit that like button. Bye.